Do you think he's going to make it to the top?
Yes, I do.
He's almost there.
We got another 12 feet to go.
That's 12 feet.
I'm guessing. What did she say her name was?
What?
What did that girl say?
About what?
Her name was? Did you say Nicole?
No.
Oh, terrible names.
I think she said Emily.
Any easier the second time down?
He slowed down.
Yeah. Because he's getting higher.
Jake?
Did he go to the top?
Gabe, get off the wall. All right, here we go. Sit. Coming down easy. Use your feet. Kick off every once in a while. Gabe, kick off every once in a while.
Yeah.
There you go. It's supposed to be fun. That answers your question.
About what?
Whether he climbed to the top.
Yes.
He didn't go to the top. Hold on, I got a problem. Chloe, hold on, Nick. Chloe, I gotta get rid of this guy. All right, here we go, Gabe. Ready? Coming down. Hold on, Gabe. Sorry. Coming down. Okay. Now, hold down if you want to get a little more comfortable. There you go. Stop. What'd you think?
Climbing with my arms, like I just can't get the hang of it with my legs.
You'll find out real quick. You're going to be exhausted by the end of the evening.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it fun?